edge of the Atlantic, near the northern coast of Africa, there lies an island shaped by fire. A place untouched by noise and more hurried to be understood. Some say it feels like a vision of another planet, but I prefer to believe this is Earth in its purest form. This is Lanzarote. Welcome to the raw wilderness. Here, reds and browns of volcanoes stretch boldly across the land. Beneath your feet, hardened black lava, as if its soul is long since drifted away. Rough, unfinished, like a dream left incomplete. And yet, humans have left their mark, a strange one. Circular pits, one after another, neatly arranged across the terrain. They look like meteor craters, perhaps symbols from some unknown world. Stone walls hold back the wind and sand. Vines grow wildly in volcanic ash. Standing among them, you can't quite tell, is this agriculture or something alien? There is no urban chaos here, no crowded noise. And yet, a quiet loneliness rises within you. But it is not cold, nor is it empty. That day, beneath the western cliffs, we found a cave, almost hidden by ocean mist. The wind roared against the jagged shore, waves crunching with a force that felt long restrained, as if the sea itself was finally exhaling. And then, the sunset tore through the heavy clouds, rays of gold spilling through one break after another. It was beyond words. The wind still howled, but somehow all sound faded away. You were no longer just an observer. You become part of the landscape. As the sun slowly sinks into the Atlantic horizon, and the island's vivid, fading colors dissolve into dusk, I finally understood why I am drawn to distant desolation. Perhaps it is because, when the world around you becomes vast and empty, everything you've ignored, suppressed, and tried to escape quietly rises to the surface. Perhaps it is here, on this strange, otherworldly island, when wind and waves are at their loudest, I hear myself most clearly.